Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to check out this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee that we currently have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around it today, just to show you some of the features and options that this Grand Cherokee has to offer. So as we come around towards the back of the Jeep here, you can see it is equipped with your rear park sensor. You can see your sensors there across that back bumper, as well as your backup camera, as you can see right there. So a few great safety features equipped there for you. In that rear cargo area, you can see there is quite a bit of space back there to help keep your gear cargo out of the way while on the go. You also do have your rubber floor liner equipped on the back there, so a great little accessory that you don't have to worry about post-purchase. You also do have your power lift gate, as you can see, equipped right there. Now the Jeep Grand Cherokee is a great everyday vehicle, also offers 4x4 capabilities, giving you some extra handling on even some of those tougher road conditions. So just to check out some of the features inside now. So the Jeep itself can sit up to 5 passengers. You can get 3 in that back seat, and you can see there's quite a bit of legroom back there for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. You also do have your rubber floor mats included both in the front and second row seats as well. So again, another great accessory that you don't have to worry about post-purchase. So just to check out some of the features up front here, so you do have your touchscreen display area, very user-friendly interface, a lot of great features packed in there as well. So you do have, of course, all your audio media controls, your climate controls in through there as well, access to your heated front seats, heated steering wheel, all the apps that are included in through there, navigation, your Bluetooth options, and of course just your settings. Just below that you do have access to, again, just some of your basic audio media controls, climate controls, as you can see down in through there. Getting into your center console area, you do have your media ports, as you can see, just tucked in away there. You do have your push button start in behind there, so your key fob for the unit here. Remote starts included, so again, another great kind of feature or accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Your steering wheel mounted control, so you do have access to your cruise control options in on there, Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities, access to your audio media controls just in behind the steering wheel as well. So you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. But you can see this Jeep Grand Cherokee's got a great blend of features in it. If you're looking for a great everyday vehicle, this could be a great option for you. If you have any other questions about this Grand Cherokee or any of the other units on our lot, feel free to give the team a call, 780-826-2999.